Hey, so as you can see, this game battles. Okay, I can't connect to this dude game. I played him first time. Yeah, he beat me, but I can't invite him to my second game. And I know he gonna try to report after this that he won, but he can't connect to my game because the Xbox service is down. Look at this. Look at my messages. You can't look. You can't. I can't even join. Look, I can't join. See, look how long it loads. I'm gonna show you. Look at that. Service is down. Try to invite him to my game. I can't. Look. Can't invite him to my game. Look at that. Look how long it's taking me to join the game. Look. Nah, I can't even host. Look at that. And I shouldn't get the loss because Xbox service is down and it is messing me up. Look at this.